Big Burb, Big Bad Burb.
Welcome to the Big Burb channel.
Hey everybody, this is Rocky from the Big Burb. I get a lot of questions, how valid is this disaster cycle? How prepared do you actually need to be? Well, and it's hard. It's a hard concept. I mean, really it is. I mean, to believe that, you could be wiped out in a matter of seconds, depending on where you are at in this world. It's a hard thing to believe. I mean, everybody feels that they're so special, that there's a chosen one. Their life situation makes them special. And really, when you look at the past and, the survivors, whether you're chosen, I believe you're more lucky. And I believe that, being lucky is the same thing as being chosen, and being able to progress and rebuild the world is gonna be one of the biggest things. And the people that are left after this disaster, they're the ones that future society is going to have to look back and say, hey, was that Moses? Was that, who was that? That could be your name. That could be my name. That could be anybody's name. I personally don't think I'm chosen. My way I look at this, right, is I'm only increasing my probability for survival. Move to Colorado, have the Rocky protect me, build a Big Burb. Maybe I might be able to get to my ranch, my bug out spot. I don't know, but increasing your probability is gonna be the biggest thing. And, I believe in Ben, and, the timeline, and one of the biggest things with Ben too in the timeline, he doesn't tell you what day, he doesn't tell you when. He tells you it's gonna happen, and it could happen within this period. There's a cycle going on. It can go over the cycle and go under the cycle. I mean, look at Yellowstone. I mean, it's one of those things to where, there's ticking time bombs everywhere. Whether you want to panic, freak out, or not believe at all, just be prepared. Really, just be prepared.
Big Burb, Big Bad Burb.